Hello, my name is Nastya Sultana and my CW ID is 50308716. And my project, I will just want to explain my project regarding in brief explanation about library novel search operation. In this project, we'll learn many things that how the library search, how the novels has been searching in the library. And now I'm going to show you some of the information which I have done to implement my project. And novel library novel search operation. In this library, that we find such in novels that we want to ask other people in the library for the novels. If they could not able to find something they want, if they could not want to find, if they unable to find what they want, then they are the some of the shortcuts we are using to find the library. The sentence would be, I want a novel, I need a digital novel, I need to search for a digital novel, I need a digital novel from library. Do you prefer digital? Search a digital novel. Can you search a digital novel for me? So these are the some of the sentences which customers or the persons who come visits to the library, they will be asking for different kinds of the novels. And in the CFG we write that is used for NPVP and it's for auxiliary MPVP and VP. NP used for the pronoun and MP pronoun name, date, nominal. And these are the some of the words which we are using for the pronunciation. And now will come digital novels, novel, library, pages, numbers. All that comes under the noun. And verb like include, prefer, want. And pronoun I, she, me, you. All this comes under the pronoun. Auxiliary does, can, do, and preposition from, to, or, near, through. Convert CFG to CNF. So we are converting the from CFG to CNF. In this, we'll learn how to convert the novels from CFG to CNF. CFG to CNF. And by using the sentences, there are the some valid sentences. By using like, I want a novel. I is used as pronoun. Want is used as verb. A is preposition. And novel is a noun. So in this, we are using this diagram as we are explaining that I as the user as NP and SA and CSA, whereas want is VP verb. Want is an verb and A is I'm sorry, and A is the date and NP, whereas novel is a noun. Here in the second example, I just want to clearly explain about it. I need a digital novel. In this, I is an NP. Need is verb, A is date, and digital nominal noun, and novel is also a noun. Here, there are the other things that we are showing. I need to search for a digital novel. For searching the digital novel, here we are using a lot different kinds of uh different kinds of verb, pronoun and preposition as well. I, verb, where in the previous example we have used I as a pronoun, where here we are using as a verb, where need is a preposition, to is a verb, such is a preposition, for is a dead, a is a nominal noun, and nominal noun. Whereas I need a digital novel from a library, where I is a verb, need is a dead, digital nominal noun, preposition from library. Here, other example, I clearly want to explain you. These are the examples that for each we have explained in a clearly manner to convert from CFG to CNF, where I have just implemented a I just implemented a programming so that we can easily identify which are acceptable or not acceptable. There are some sentences which are invalid sentences. Invalid sentences. The novel. Here, the novel is the invalid sentences because this and novel. The is this and novel. The is the and novel, which is because of the normal noun, it is a novel. Novel from library is also a invalid sentence because preposition novel library. And here it shows that different kind of a library where it was not defined in a clearly manner. And you from library, the sentence formation as well as it doesn't look a good, as well as when we convert from CNF to CGF, it shows an error, and it shows like it is not there in the library. So these are the sentences where this is the code which I have been implemented to know the library noble search operation, where uh, we can find clearly here. This is the Python code which I have been implemented to find the library novel search operation, where class node we are defining self, root, left, right, word, square, where self root is root, left, right, where if self is end, then it is converted to true. Import is YS NLTK grammar file. We are using whom for the pronoun noun. We are using we are using the grammar to find which sentences are the like as we can see here. I is used as a pronoun, where uh, novel is as verb, like that. So here same as code that has been given for I is the range from the length G, where current G and is key value, all the things binary we are using here, and the current, if current zero is zero, then the float length current minus one, and the else if we are using here, L is a grammar key and C append, we are appending the values and props and keys, whereas if with J in range, length current, and here we can see that clearly CKY parsing, CKY for X is in range, for Y in range. And define the check extra also is if there are any extra words or letters are added or improper things are added. So for R in extra or rule in grammar or details in right list or left list, all the things which we are added. Because of that, here we can find which is here we can say which is true and which is false. Where here the length sentence we can find how much find in lexical. It means that how the case of the word, the length of the word, and we can find here. And here we can find the grammar, what are the things which we are using in the as the sentences or in the kind of a verse, uh, whereas novel is I use trans uh, novel is used as verb. And here also we are finding searching for the grammar, and like in some sentences if the sentence is like incompleted or improper, then it comes under the no sentence and the novel cannot be found in the library. And here terminal list equal to notes pack length 0 minus 1. Here in if flag print text, if the novel sentence is valid, then it prints it's, and if those novel sentences is invalid, then it printed no. Here the simple output I can show you is this one, but now I'll just show the code which I have been implemented so that it will be clearly understandable and you can clearly understandable for you. Here, this is the code which I want to show you, and this is the implementation which I had done. Yeah, and import SYS, import in TLK, this which I had already explained for you in the previous Word document, so that it will be very easier for me to show you. And I just want to show you here the examples so that uh, the output you can be checked here by using these parts. So, for example, I just want to take from the Word document which I had written here so that you can understand. I want a novel is the first sentence, which I am taking from the valid sentences. So here I want a novel. I just want to type in the type at the end. Here I just want to type uh here I'm typing I want a novel. So after typing this, I just entering in, so it shows this. So it means that already I had written I want a novel is a valid sentences, so that it has been written there. And another example I just want to show which is not valid, so that in the library it has been with the operations. So the sentence which I had taken from the value sentences, and I needed digital novel. I just want to show another example from the value sentence. I I need a I need a digital novel. And here this is also value sentences. This is also one of the clear examples. Eh, And another example I just want to take from the invalid sentence, that is this novel. Here again, I just want to show this novel. This novel. No. Here, see, this is considered as no because it's not a verb, and this novel it cannot be. It is like an invalid sentence, and it is not explained in a clearly, so that we are considering this novel as an invalid sentence. So this is my implementation. I hope you understand my explanation. If there are any doubts, or if any disturbance in my voice or anything, I'm sorry for that. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.